Okay, so in the earlier class, we happened to discuss about Langston Hughes' poem As I Grew Old. So, as I introduced to you, this poet was very much interested to promote equality and fight against racism, racial discrimination. So, we have discussed that the poet was having a lot of trouble in overcoming the challenges in life because he happened to be an African American person. So he did face the discrimination and he takes the wall as a symbol in order to show the obstacles on the path while going towards success. As I grew older, Langston Hughes. It was a long time ago. I've almost forgotten my dream. It was a long time ago. I have almost forgotten my dream. He says that it was a very long time ago and he has almost forgotten his dream. He doesn't even remember the dream. But it was there then in front of me. But it was there then. It was there at that place and at that time in front of me. So, exactly in front of me, bright like a sun, my dream. Now, see how well he elevates his dream. That is, he was having a lot of interest. He wanted to dream. He wanted to have a dream in his life. He wanted to be successful in his life. So it was there then in front of him, bright like a sun. The dream was very, very bright like a sun. His dream was very, very bright like a sun. And then the wall rose. And then the wall rose. So it was very bright like a sun, and he was dreaming and he was very much interested. He had an elevated dream and he was very, very anxious. He was very, very curious to fulfill his dream, to make it a reality. But then what happened? And then the wall rose. So then suddenly there happened to be a wall in between. A wall rose slowly, slowly between me and my dream. So slowly, gradually, there rose a wall between himself and his dream. Rose until it touched the sky. See what a good way of writing. So the wall rose so high that it touched the sky. It almost touched the sky. So it was not a small one. It touched the sky. The wall. The wall touched the sky. Shadow. I'm black. This shadow, I'm black. So I'm black. He says black indicates the darkness, that is the unhappiness in life. And he says the shadow of the wall is so high, and he himself is also black. So, being black shows that he is being exposed to the discrimination. I lie down in the shadow. I am black, I lie down in the shadow. He says because he is black, he lies down in the shadow. No longer the light of my dream before me. No longer the light of my dream before me. The light of my dream is not before me. No longer the light of my dream before me. So the light of my dream is no longer before me. So till that time he was very, very happy. He was very shiny. But now the light of the dream is no more before him. Above me, only the thick wall. So the dream is not before him. But what lies is above him there is a very, very, very thick wall. Only the shadow, my hands. Only the shadow. He's having only the shadow. So initially he was able to see only the dream, but now he is having only the shadow. My hands, my dark hands. And he is just looking at his hands, very dark hands. He's having nothing else but the dark hands. Break through the wall. The hands are trying to break through the wall. Find my dream. So the wall is very big, like it is almost touching the sky. He wants to break that wall and see the bright sunlight dream. Help me to shatter this darkness. He says he would like to shatter the darkness, to smash this night. He wants to smash, damage the night, to break the shadow. He wants to break the shadow into a thousand lights of sun. He wants to break it a thousand lights of sun. He wants to break the shadow by lighting thousand lights, by having thousand lights of sun, the brightness equal to thousand lights of sun, into a thousand whirling dreams of sun. He wants to go into a thousand whirling dreams of sun. So he says very symbolically that when he was having a very nice dream and when he was proceeding towards the dream, suddenly there was a huge wall which came as an obstacle. Because he was a black man, he was unable to move forward because he was being discriminated. He was unable to move forward and go towards his dream. And he wants to have thousand hands and damage the wall, break through the wall, and go towards his dream and realize the dream. A thousand lights of sun he would like to have. A thousand whirling dreams of sun. He wants to have a thousand whirling dreams of sun. So, to conclude, the poet says that he wants to have freedom, he wants to promote equality, he wants to realize his dream. He too was a human being, may not be a white person, but a black person. So he wants to break away. He wants to break away the obstacles and then go towards his dream. So this is the point. Promoting equality and fighting against racial discrimination. So you know very well how the poet is curious, how the poet is curious to say that the poem should should be completed in the right way. Thank you. So this is the point.